Latest 200 Amazing Modern Kitchen Design Ideas 2023. Best kitchen decorating ideas, with the top tips and tricks to decorate the heart of your home. The kitchen is quite an essential part of our homes, and if it's not designed to soothe us while cooking, it will only be a source of unwanted stress. Add to that, if you enjoy dining in your kitchen, and you simply have to pay extra attention to your design choices, treat it like you would any other part of the house, and you won't regret it. With that in mind, the choices are endless, and that's why Property Finder offers you the best of the best in modern kitchen design ideas. Paint the walls. When choosing a color for your kitchen walls, consider the overall aesthetic of your home and the amount of natural light the room receives. Light colors can help make a small kitchen feel larger and brighter, while dark colors can add depth and sophistication. Additionally, consider the finish of the paint. A semi-gloss or high-gloss finish is easier to clean and more durable than a flat finish in a high-traffic area like the kitchen. Add plants or flowers. Adding plants or flowers to your kitchen can help purify the air and bring a sense of calm to the room. Consider hanging planters from the ceiling or placing potted plants on the windowsill for a touch of greenery. When choosing plants, consider their light and water requirements, as well as their overall size and growth habits. Hang art or photos. When hanging art or photos in your kitchen, consider the overall style and color scheme of the room. Choose pieces that complement the space, and hang them at eye level for optimal viewing. Grouping multiple pieces together can create a more dynamic display, while a single large piece can make a bold statement. Install open shelving. Open shelving can add a touch of rustic charm or modern sophistication to your kitchen, depending on the style you choose. When installing open shelves, consider their placement and the items you'll be storing on them. Keep heavy items low, and items you use frequently within easy reach. Use baskets or other containers to keep items organized and concealed. Change out hardware and light fixtures. Updating the hardware and light fixtures in your kitchen is a relatively easy and affordable way to give the space a fresh, updated look. Choose hardware that complements the style of your cabinets, and consider the overall finish of the hardware when selecting light fixtures. A matte black finish, for example, can add a touch of industrial chic, while brass fixtures can add warmth to a traditional kitchen. Add a backsplash. A backsplash can protect your walls from splashes and spills, and also add visual interest to your kitchen. Choose a material that complements the style of your cabinets and countertops, such as ceramic tile, glass, or natural stone. When selecting a pattern or design, consider the overall size of your kitchen and the amount of natural light it receives. Bold patterns can make a statement in a large kitchen, while smaller, subtler patterns can add a touch of texture to a small kitchen. Use a statement rug. A statement rug can help define the kitchen space and add a pop of color or pattern to the room. Choose a durable material, such as jute or polypropylene, that can stand up to daily wear and tear. When selecting a pattern, consider the overall style and color scheme of your kitchen. A bold pattern, or bright color, can add energy to a neutral kitchen, while a neutral pattern can anchor a more colorful space. Invest in high-quality countertops and cabinets. High-quality countertops and cabinets can add value to your home and improve the functionality of your kitchen. Consider materials like granite, quartz, or solid wood for durability and style. When selecting a countertop, consider the amount of use it will receive, as well as the overall style of your kitchen. A dark, high-gloss countertop can add a touch of sophistication to a modern kitchen, while a honed marble countertop can bring a touch of luxury to a traditional kitchen. Incorporate functional and stylish seating options. Adding seating options to your kitchen can make the space more comfortable and functional. Choose bar stools, benches, or a small dining table that complements the style of your kitchen. Consider the height of your countertops and cabinets when selecting seating options, and choose materials that are durable and easy to clean, such as metal or plastic. When selecting a dining table, consider the size of your kitchen and the number of people you typically have over. A small bistro table can add a touch of charm to a small kitchen, while a large farmhouse table can make a statement in a large kitchen. Add lighting. Lighting can help set the mood and highlight the features of your kitchen. Consider a mix of task lighting, ambient lighting, and accent lighting to create a well-lit space. Task lighting, such as under cabinet lighting, can help you see what you're cooking, while ambient lighting, such as pendant lights or ceiling lights, can help create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Accent lighting, such as wall sconces or track lighting, can highlight artwork, plants, or other decorative elements in the kitchen. Accessorize. The finishing touches can make all the difference in your kitchen. Consider adding accessories, such as decorative dishes, colorful canisters, or vintage kitchen tools, to help personalize the space. Choose accessories that complement the style of your kitchen and add color, pattern, or texture to the room. Incorporate functional storage solutions. Last but not least, consider incorporating functional storage solutions into your kitchen. Consider installing a kitchen island with built-in storage, or adding a pantry cabinet to help organize your food and kitchen supplies. When selecting storage solutions, consider the size of your kitchen and the items you'll be storing, and choosing solutions that maximize the space while also complementing the overall style of your kitchen.